With Guitar Rig Session, you can start recording your own songs instantly. This tutorial will show you how to record your guitar and bass as well as voice tracks. We need a sequencer to record and overdub multiple tracks, so please start Cubase LE. Open the File menu and select New Project. We will create an empty project to really start from scratch. Choose a folder where all your project files will be stored. First, we need a drum track. To add an empty track, right-click into the dark blue column. As this track will be holding MIDI data, it should be an instrument track. In the small window that pops up, choose the KORE Player plugin. To open the plugin interface, click on the small piano symbol in the Settings column. You can now load one of the KORE sound packs. Select Pop Drums and its content will be shown on the right. Double-click on the Funk player to load it. If you press play now, the funky drummer will begin playing a basic pattern. You can change it by clicking on one of the labeled buttons in the upper left part of the window. Each loop comes with 8 variations, which you can select by turning the corresponding knob. These changes can be automated for variations of your groove, or you can build your own beats using MIDI. For this tutorial, we have prepared a very simple sequence of loops. Creating tracks for recording works the same way. Just select Add Audio Track this time. We are going to need 5 of them. Let's record a bass line first. Make sure the first track's record button is activated. To instantly hear what you are recording, activate the monitoring button. Cubase will only record the bare signal of your guitar, and Guitar Rig will take care of the processing. To make this happen, click on the Insert section on the left of the sequencer window. Now, click on the arrow in one of the slots and select the Guitar Rig plugin. When the program window pops up, build or select the preset for this particular track. Once you're finished, you can close the program window. Click on Record and start playing. You can use multiple instances of Guitar Rig in your recording project, so we'll set up the other tracks in the same way. Each of the instances is independent, so you can choose a different preset now. Let's record some funky rhythm guitar. The second guitar has yet another sound. Recording with a microphone works exactly the same way. Just connect it to the session I/O, activate the phantom power switch if your mic requires phantom power, press record, and start singing. Guitar Rig also makes for an excellent effects plugin. For example, you can achieve some nice doubling effects using the pitch pedal. A second voice is added for harmonies, and we can jump right to our final job, the mix. Of course, mixing is an art in its own right, and we can only scratch the surface now. If the mixer window is not visible, press F3 to show it. Each fader corresponds to one of the tracks. Dragging them up or down will set their volume levels. We will bring the voices to the front a bit. If you want to have a closer look at certain tracks, set them to solo by clicking on the S button. Now the other tracks are muted and you can mix the two voices to play together nicely.
We're getting around, driving in a car, moving out wherever you are.
Suppose you want to distribute the two guitar tracks to the stereo channels. This is easily done by dragging the vertical lines above the faders to the left and right, as you can watch and hear in the final step of this tutorial.